Look at these green birds. Ah, I haven't seen green. Look at those in the background. Huge. They're like talking. So what are you gonna do today? Oh, me, nothing. Just gonna pick my body and then like throw whatever I see. I'm just gonna stare at the water. My rent's paid. Utilities due, not due. Look at these green. Where are they? There we go. So cool. Hi, buddies. Hi. What kind of bird are you? Scratch, 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 scratch. Oh, y'all eat grass? I didn't even know that. Then there's a blackbird. There's racism amongst that. Can't sit with us. These are so many different kinds of birds. Yeah, that's brown and black. So he's Indian.